how stoked you were about the M&M's.
That was not a good town.
That was a great town.
Bad homestay.
Well, I had such a good homestay. Me and John Stern stayed together and slept in the same bed. And it was awesome. And actually, I homestayed with John because he knew I was so depressed, and he asked Whitney who I should stay with, so I just made sure I was okay. And I just stayed with Jordan, so they put me with John. Oh my God! I saw.
There you go, Chelsea.
I can't believe what's going on.
How do you feel?
I feel elated.
I feel
joyous.
Yeah. It makes me want to do that.
Look at you guys are like celebrities.
Oh my gosh, Giselle! Oh. Okay, so we're about to walk to the subway and we're gonna get on and we're gonna use our video vlog.
Yeah, I already put on pictures.
Give me the girl in the back.
I think I suck because I have. I think we're supposed to give it one, but she forgot.
I'm sorry.